first sight, hospitalized. That was the day you changed my life. 5 little fingers wrapped around mine. That's when I knew that I would love you to the day that I die. Take care of you till you walk down that aisle. They'll see the beautiful woman you become, but I'll see my little girl.
Happy birthday, Nanay! Salamat po sa sa lahat-lahat ng sakripisyo mo sa amin. Salamat po sa pag-aaruga mo sa aking mga junakis, sa pagtitiis sa kanilang mga kakulitan, sa pagtatiyaga, sa lahat-lahat, Nay. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you. Saan ako ba pa?
Happy birthday, Nanay! Happy birthday po! More birthday pa, ha? Sana'y malasing mo sila. Happy birthday!
Birthday, Lola Lita. More birthdays to come. We love you.
Happy birthday po, Nanay. I love you po. Mwah.
Hi, Nay. Happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ka ngayong araw na to. Thank you for your love, caring, at yung mga pangaral na binigay niyo sa amin. We're so blessed to have you in our lives. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Hindi lang ako. Siyempre, lahat kami. Pati mga apo nyo, mga anak nyo. Okay? Mahal na mahal ka namin. And enjoy your birthday celebration today. Medyo hindi lang ako makapunta. Medyo busy sa trabaho. Pero hope to see you soon. Okay? Love you.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Heart pa na heart. Heart pa na heart.
Happy birthday po, Lola! We love you po!
Hi, happy birthday. Ingat lagi dyan. More birthday to come. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Love you, mama. Chup chup.
Hi, Nay. Happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi and good health. Love you.
Hi La, I just want to say na happy birthday to you and I wish na magkita tayo sometimes if pinapayagan na ako na lang mag-commute mag-isa. And I wish na masarap yung handa mo and
Hello po, Nay. Happy birthday po. Ang wish ko po ngayong birthday nyo is you will stay safe, healthy, and happy. And even though matagal na po tayong hindi nagkita, we still love and respect you po. We love you so much. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nanay! Ang wish ko, sana madami pang birthday ang dumating sa'yo at ilayo ka ni Lord sa anumang kapahamakan at bigyan ng kalakasan araw-araw. Happy birthday, Nanay! I love you, I miss you!